Example 9. Given y is equal to 3 cos theta minus 1, sketch the curve and use it to estimate the first two positive x values where y equals 2. So let's do this in Excel. We're graphing y is equal to 3 cos theta minus 1. As before, we'll have a variable called d theta, and we'll set that equal to pi divided by 10. We'll have a column for theta and a column for y. We'll set this equal to minus 2 times d theta, and we'll set the next value equal to the previous value plus d theta, and we'll put a dollar here to keep that constant. And then the y value is equal to 3 times cos of theta minus 1. We'll copy that cell to here, and then we'll copy these cells down to there. And then let's have a cell that we can put any value we want in, and that is equal to Control C, Control V. Right, so block mark these values and insert a graph which is a curved line. Let's make that a bit bigger, and we'll change the title to say y is equal to 3 cos theta minus 1. So we're interested in the first two values where the graph is equal to 2, which is this point and this point. The graph at the moment is too coarse to estimate the value from the table. Instead of d theta being pi divided by 10, let's make it pi divided by 20. So now we can see that this value is fairly close to what we're interested in. So 1.57, 1.6 maybe, something like that. For the second value, it's going to be about here, and looking at the graph, it's going to be between 1.73 radians and 1.88. So let's try 1.8, and that gives us 2.09, so that's close but not close enough. Let's try 1.82, better but not close enough. 1.84, yeah, that's good enough. Okay, so let's put these values into baseline. So 0.16, 2 and 1.84, 2. And are we right? Yep, we are. Okay, question 10. A region is defined by those inequalities. So that's 3 inequalities plus the x and y axes. So let's see what this looks like. So we'll have a column for x, a column for y1, a column for y2 and a column for y3. So x is going to go from 0, and we'll say that this value is equal to the previous value plus 1. The first line is 2y equals minus x plus 32, so that's going to equal brackets minus the x value plus 32 divided by 2. The second line is 3y is less than or equal to minus 2x plus 84, so that's equal to minus 2 times the x value plus 84 divided by 3. And then the third line is y is less than or equal to minus 7x plus 80, so that's equal to minus 7 times the x value plus 80. So if we copy these down one row and then copy all of this from there. So let's draw the first line, insert graph, and now we'll add a second line. So select data, add a new series. The x values are these and the y values are the y2 column. Okay, and then we'll add a third series. The x values will be these again, and the y values will be the y3 column. Okay. So the region we're interested in is the region bounded by the y-axis, the x-axis, and these two lines. So it's this region. And we're interested in the shortest distance from the origin to a point of intersection, which is obviously going to be here, and that value is 16. So let's put that into baseline. The shortest distance is 16. And are we right? Yes, we are. And that's the end of the examples on sketching graphs.